If your coffee maker seems clogged and pours very little or no hot water over the coffee grinds, chances are lime scale has accumulated along the heating element of your brewer. This will cause your machine to give off errors while brewing. I had this Krups grind and brew unit for a couple of years and I neglected to descale it. Descaling is recommended every 6 months to ensure proper operation of your machine. But what happens if your machine is beyond descaling? In my case, when I tried to descale, water no longer flowed from the water pipe, signifying that the pipe was completely blocked by lime scale. If this happens, there is still a chance to save your brewer. Just takes a little patience and some basic tools. Your model might be different from mine, but the principle is the same for all coffee makers. First, remove the coffee pot and ensure that there's no water in the chamber. Then, empty the coffee bean or coffee grind chamber and the chamber cover. Then turn the whole unit upside down to reveal the undercovering of the unit. You'll find four screws here. Remove all of them. This model has four rubber footings. Remove all four footings to reveal their screws and remove them as well. Before taking off the undercover, take note of the clips at the back or at the sides. It means there's only one way to remove it. In this unit, you pry the cover from the front while the cover hinges at the back. This is the brewer's heating element. Cold water passes through this metallic element, heating it before it lands on the coffee grind's upper chamber. Limescale builds up on the metallic portions of your brewer, and so chances are the blockage occurred somewhere in this bend. Limescale will rarely develop in the plastic, rubber, or silicone portions of the pipe. Dismantle this portion to isolate this aluminum pipe so we can clean the insides. Take out the screws, remove the connected silicone pipe, and take hold of the aluminum water pipe. Then insert a thin GI or construction wire inside the pipe and push it as far as it would go. You'll be surprised at how hard the deposits are. Insert the wire from both ends of the bended pipe and keep pushing until you see the wire come out the other end.
All the way until doesn't want to anymore.
Use a blower or your mouth to force out the broken down lime scale out the pipe.
That.
Then, put back the components the way you dismantled them and return all covers and screws. Thank you. Here. Thanks, eh. Descale twice to remove fine deposits from the pipes. Water will now flow normally. Finally, brew 2 to 3 full pots of water without the coffee grinds to clean the pipes of fine lime scale and descaling solution.